Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Night Climber. Today, just a quick video. I'm going to be taking you through the Bear Mountain Bridge. We're going to do that with our Easy Pass. So I just wanted to show you how we're going to connect that. Should get us through easy peasy through there. We're going to just grab our Easy Pass here. We're going to put up our windshield. Boy, that's all dirty. And you can see the Velcro here. We're just going to attach that on. Push that down. Boom. Now we got all that all ready to go. Alright, continuing on 218. Look at these. Look at these sharp corners with the retaining walls. That is so cool. Should be coming up the Bear Mountain Bridge in about 1.5 miles. Whoa, whoa, there's the bridge we're gonna go over right there. Oh, right there, that's awesome. Bear Mountain Bridge to the left. Alright, we got a roundabout we gotta deal with. Go, Bear Mountain Bridge, going over here. Alright, here we go. This is what we want. Alright, Easy Pass. We're looking for the Easy Pass. Wait. It's free? It's free? Wow, free today. I think they're changing over their toll. Before it used to be people there with the Easy Pass, the automated Easy Pass with a bar that goes up and down. But now it looks like they got rid of the bar and the people. So I think they're making it just all automated. So it must be free for the day. Alright. So much for that video. Yeah, so stick around, we'll have to do this video again. So yeah, let's go to the overlook and take a look at that bridge again. Oh wow, that is cool. Woo! Look at that view. Okay, scenic area, this is where we're going. Let's do this. Take a look here. Oh wow, look at that.
No, wait, 9:40, 9:34 right now.
Wow, I don't see the bridge. So the bridge would be just down there, but maybe we'll see it when we go out because we're just going back that way. Oh, there it is. Look at that. We got it from the other way this time. Oh, very cool. That is cool. Alright guys, well sorry it wasn't a great video of how to use your Easy Pass. It's probably straightforward anyways, but yeah, so the best thing you can do is just go through a toll that doesn't even need a toll. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you down the road. Wow, that is cool. Woo! How cool.